Welcome back, friends. The following portion of Indy Now is sponsored by Hudson Plumbing. We've got their GM Keaton in the house, who's here to teach us how water softeners can help protect your home, appliances, and more. Good to see you, man.
Yeah,
Welcome
man.
back.
Thanks for having us. Yeah.
Thank you for bringing a water softener all the way up from, did you come up from Martinsville?
Martinsville, yep, sure did.
Shout out to you and the team for running that thing.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. I understand we're going to do a test of...
We'll do a test in a little bit,
okay,
to kind of see the difference where hard water and soft water.
Okay, so Indiana is notoriously known for having very hard water.
Very hard water.
How do we know if we have hard water? Why should we care?
Yeah, one of the indicators, you're going to have scale build up everywhere. It's going to look like it's going to be white. You know, what makes hard water is calcium, magnesium. So you'll see it around your kitchen, you'll see it in your bathroom, you may see it on your dishes. That's a telltale sign that you have hard water.
Okay, and this just comes from what? Like the water table?
It's just minerals that are just naturally in the ground. Calcium, magnesium typically, and that's what a softener will remove. It will completely strip those out.
Okay, good to know. So what does hard water actually do to our plumbing and appliances over time?
Yeah, it really can wreak havoc, specifically on any of your fixtures, faucets, dishwasher, water heaters. It's going to build up and it's going to affect the cartridges.
Okay.
So, yeah, I mean, over time, depending on how serious the hard water is, you're really going to notice it.
Okay, yeah, so this is more something that you want to prevent as opposed to respond to.
It's kind of like an investment, really.
Yeah.
You want to get it to protect the longevity of all your fixtures and appliances.
Yes, we've had one in our home for several years, and you can tell a difference
from the skin.
When Dad forgets, oh shoot, we got to get the bags again. It's that time.
You'll feel it on the skin.
Yeah. So what are the real everyday benefits of switching to soft water?
Well, longevity again in the fixtures. Okay. You're gonna prolong the life of your water heater, your faucets, your dishwasher, things like that. There is a big benefit on the skin, the hair, with how far shampoo goes. So you'll go through a lot less shampoo actually with a softener. Those are the main benefits. It's just protecting everything long term from that damage. Yeah,
because plumbing is such an important part of your home. I mean, it really does affect everyone in the house as well. We're seeing some pictures of some various setups. I mean, you probably got like a utility room where your HVAC or maybe your water tank is going to be. How does the process of getting a water softener installed actually work, Keith?
Yeah, so you want to find out, how hard is your water? And then typically you get a plumber out and they'll test your water to find out how hard it is.
Okay.
So whether it's well or city. And then from there, we need to find out, do we want to leave anything hard? Because a lot of people want some things left hard for maybe watering or cooking.
Okay.
Because it's going to strip everything out.
Yeah.
And then there, we need to find a good location and we connect everything, and then you got soft water.
Yeah, and you can really set it up to run at like 3 in the morning. So
yeah, it's easy. These are pretty smart nowadays. So.
Are they maybe less noisy than the one I have at home? I mean,
they're pretty noisy. Unfortunately, that's why they go off at 2 in the morning. They're pretty noisy.
They're like, I'm here. I'm here.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, trustyourplumber.com is where you can learn more. And you've got a test here.
Yeah, we got a test. So,
what's going on?
So one of these little vials right here is soft water. One is hard. We're going to find out which one it is.
Okay.
You're going to follow me. We have 3 of these solutions we're going to run. And when the water goes a dark blue, that's when it's soft. Okay. So let's start by, grab this first one right here, and we're going to put 3 drops in.
3 drops. Here we go.
1, 2,
3. All right,
okay.
Got it.
Now we're going to go this one right here.
All right.
3 drops.
What are these?
It's a solution. You know, it's above my pay grade.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let's give it a little shake real quick.
Oh, a little shake.
Okay. Now this final one, each drop is going to represent 1 grain of hardness per gallon.
Okay.
So I'll let you go first. You put 1 in there, give it a little shake.
All right, here we go. Put it right here. 1, 2, 3.
Yep. Now give that a little. Let's see what that does.
Actually, I did 4 on accident. I apologize.
You did 4? That's okay.
Actually,
it looks like I have the soft one. So, okay, look at that. So I got soft water. So here, let's keep going with this. Let's find out how hard it is.
Okay.
So you did 3 drops?
I did add 4 on accident.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wow.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is hard.
My goodness. Okay,
17,
so
18,
this
19,
has got
20,
a lot
21.
of mineral deposits.
Exactly.
In it.
It's getting ready to turn. 5, 6, 27. That should do it.
Okay.
Yeah, you see it.
It's
so,
shifting.
So this tells us this is really hard water. Like I would recommend a softener. Again, the things we talked about, it's going to start affecting things. So soft, you see, is going to be 0 to 1 grains hard.
Okay.
This is 27. So this is what you're going to see in Indianapolis, down in Martinsville. It's really hard.
Yeah.
A lot of minerals.
Okay.
So you need to just get a plumber in, have them test the water.
Yeah.
You can bring water into our shop. We'll test it for free right then and there.
Fantastic.
We can also test for iron. We can test for sulfur and a lot of other things as well. Bring your water in. We'll test it right then and there.
Awesome. And they're currently offering $150 off a water softener installation plus 3 months of free salt for new customers. Save you some money on that too, because those bags can run, you know, $8 to $10.
Yeah, and they're heavy too, so we'll bring them in. We'll do the heavy lifting. We'll put them in.
Pounds. Shout out to our friend Macy, our account exec in our sales
department. She did good. Yep.
She just came in just carrying that 40-pound bag there. I was like, all right, Macy, I see you. The preceding portion of Indy Now was sponsored by Hudson Plumbing. Check it out. What's the best website for you guys?
Yeah, trustyourplumber.com.
Okay, go check it out. Keaton, good to see you, man.
All right,
thanks
appreciate
as always,
it. Hey, thanks for having us.